We made it to Disney! Welcome to Disney Paris Christmas vlogs. The start of the Christmas vlogs. We're in Disney Paris for a few days.
Staying in Newport Bay.
Yeah. So we just came on the train, so you've seen all that, and then you've seen a little, we'll show you a little room tour.
Yeah,
Do a room tour. It kind of gives, it gives cruise vibes.
Doesn't it? It gives like
cruise vibes.
Technical difficulties there, sister.
How does the door not open?
It did.
I'm gonna give off the
Paris.
Okay. Oh look, already we're getting, look at that now for the details.
Very nice.
So when you come in, this is what it looks like. Real nautical vibes. And then with every Disney thing they always do a
That's nice.
welcome.
Cute.
Welcome on board. Oh, it must be the
These
French for
open.
welcome on board. These open.
Ooh.
And it looks like the luggage. And look at this cute, look at Ahoy Travellers. Isn't that cute? And I think it's like a map and gives you all the details. And then look all the way around here. There's like Goofy and Donald and Mickey and Pluto. And then
I haven't even
They
seen the
have-
room yet.
lovely nautical vibes. And then I think this is so cute. This little
Cute.
Mickey and
Isn't it?
the little.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that
Wait
so
till I
nice?
see
Those
if I
little
can
details.
Get that focus.
Isn't that so lovely?
That is nice.
Oh, and then we'll be bringing these for the memories. Bringing a pen for the memories.
Oh, is there a pen?
Yeah, I'm Bagsy at my birthday. I bagged
Okay,
a pen.
fine. Yeah. Okay. I want to
I'm choking. And then
choke with the excitement.
and then look at all this is like luggage. It's all luggage vibes.
Is that
Like
that's
old
proper
time
coffee
luggage.
maker.
Proper
And
coffee
kettle.
maker. Oh look, these must be the coffees then for the coffee maker. That's nice.
That open.
Oh, I don't know, but oh, this is a postcard. I Bagsy's this for the memories. I wonder could I take this whole thing for the memories?
I'm sure you can.
I'm sure I'll take it for the
I'm sure you
memories.
can. That's
And
cute.
then we have a view of just other rooms, but look how
There
nice it
isn't.
is.
I don't know. We're just getting shiny.
Oh my god, I can see the bit.
It's
I'll
just
tell you
shiny.
now.
We'll
But
have to
I'll tell you
open
what I
this.
can see. No, my god, you're breaking the bits.
Never mind.
I won't be opening that, but I'll tell you what I can see. In this place here, I can see an indoor pool.
There is an indoor pool.
Well, I can see it. It's right there.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah.
You can't see it, but I tell you, in there is an indoor pool.
That's the job for you now, zooming in on that in the vlog.
I don't know. Yeah, so this is the
So
room,
cute.
and then there's don't mind yourself. Then there's a bathroom in this place. And then as you come in the door, then we have this curtain thing. And then in here then is like the wardrobe. Oh look, that's like a travel cot, like if you had kids, a travel cot, a safe, an ironing board, and then the hairdryer. That's actually the same hairdryer. Remember I said, and it would look like a vacuum, but it did actually work well. And a nice mirror.
That is nice.
And then the bathroom's actually quite nice, nice and blue. The bathroom's quite nice and blue.
And that is
Blue
nice.
tiles, nice, and look, there's little, look. Oh, these also for the memories. Look at that, how cute.
Very nice.
I'll be taking those for the memories, don't use them.
Lovely.
And then just the toilet behind the door. Well, plenty of room.
Yeah, nice.
Plenty of room. It's a bit echoey in
Lovely.
here. This is really nice, really nice. Really like it.
Very cute.
We really like this hotel.
Do
We'll do a
resort.
tour because there's loads of little things, so we'll do a resort tour as well. We are just out of Rainforest Cafe.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, it's a bit loud. It was so nice. I was so hungry I didn't film it, but we got a Louisiana burger and Mom got the fish and chips, so it was really nice. Really recommend. Really nice place to go to eat. Really lovely. Okay, off to... You got the volcano something.
Oh, a tropical something.
Oh, a tropical volcano. And I got a flower power, really nice, really nice.
Oh yeah, that's
So we're gonna head into the park. It's so nice to see the Disney Hotel all finished now. It looks so pretty all lit up, look.
lovely, isn't it?
It's so nice, lit up. Oh, I haven't gone through this entrance in years. The very first time I came to Disney, I came through here. We're in! Oh my god, the Christmas decorations are so nice. Look at this! Happy holidays! Oh, we've never been for Christmas, so this is so nice. Look at it, it says Happy Holidays! Oh, look at that. That is so nice. You can really see it there now. Okay, let's get the reactions to the Christmas decorations. Let's get our reactions to the Christmas decorations as we walk in. Oh my god, the tree is massive! Oh my god, the tree is massive! Oh, it's so pretty! Oh! Oh my god, the castle's all pink. Look! Yeah, that's what I just said. The castle's all pink. It's so pretty. Look
at the tree. Oh my god, look how big those baubles are. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's massive. Oh, look at. Oh, look down here. Oh, it's so pretty. Nice. Look at these wreaths. Oh, look at the window. Oh, look at the Monopoly I was looking at. We were looking at windows. What's your man?
Can we go into a few and walk down through, or do you want to just walk
Do you
down?
want to walk down? Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I got some ears, but it was a bit rainy, so we decided to go back to the hotel and we'll do illuminations maybe tomorrow night. I think it's a bit too much now tonight to get it all in, but we had like a mooch around the shops and got the little vibes, so that was nice. It's really lovely. I got my ears. They say it's saying Darth Vader was on the naughty list, so I had to get them. They're really cute, and I brought my Winnie the Pooh in his Princess Leia outfit, so it all worked out quite well. But yeah, look at this is it really up close. I would love to stay in one of these ones, looking out over the, oh yeah, sorry, looking out over the park. I'd love to stay in one of these hotel rooms looking out over the park. That would be cool. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the hotel, maybe have a glass of wine and have like a chill evening and start the day then tomorrow. So we'll see you in the next vlog. Now we had some mulled wine and it's really nice.